Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Tahmis kitchen. Today we will be making Turkish Kabob. First you will need a food processor. I am using 2-pound ground beef, half cup mixed red and orange pepper, 10 green chili. You can add less if you want. I like it spicy. 1 teaspoon of ginger, half cup fresh coriander, 1 chopped onion and 1 whole garlic, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, half tablespoon cumin powder, half tablespoon kebab mix, half tablespoon salt, 1/3 cup olive oil, 1 teaspoon crushed black pepper. Now cover and mix well. In between, mix around with a spoon. After mixing for few minutes, it should look like this. Now follow these steps to make the kebab skewers. Now add the kebabs to the grill. Cook at 245 degrees 10 to 15 minutes on each side until done. Enjoy, like, share and don't forget to subscribe.